Will you search through the lonely earth for me? Climb through the briar and bramble. I'll be your treasure. I felt the touch of the kings and the breath of the wind. I knew the call of all the songbirds. They sang all the wrong words. I'm waiting for you. I'm waiting for you.
Good morning, everybody. Good morning from Mr. D. Oh, you can't see, that's because it's too dark. It's very, very early. We're on our way to the club for our first coach club dig for 2015. And it is pretty gusty and pretty freezing out there. Not sure whether we're going to stay dry today. I think I checked the forecast last night and it wasn't the best. Possible snow as well, so all good fun. Anyways, should get there, park up, and I'll catch you in a bit. Right, well, we're on the coach on our way. Looks like it's raining. We've had our breakfast, been given our maps, and coach is full as well. I'll catch you there. Latest update, we're stuck on the coach. Been a major accident. No, not looking good. Finally on the move.
Where's the truck gone? Is it? The truck went on site fees now.
Well, we've made it. Yay! We're getting kitted up. This is the first field. We've got each other over there. So catch you on the first vine. You'll have to excuse the wind today because it is very, very, very windy. But I had to show my first decent find of the day. Woohoo! It's just, I think, come out that hole. That's how I put the spade in, and it's parted, and there it is. And I've just walkie-talkie, Mr. D. First coin of the day goes to me. Pretty one. At the minute I can't tell. I'm going to be too muddy. Could be an old one. Could be another. Who did I say that other one? I had one the other week, didn't I? And it's just totally gone up my head. It's like a bloke who looks that way and he has like a wreathy thing going through his hair. And it's just gone. The wind's blown all information out of my head, I'm afraid. First coin, yay! I've come into field number 2, which has got Bridge and Furrow. Found a button. This is my second find. Not wowie, but I just thought I'd share it. Don't know if it's the top of a walking stick. Because you've got, that's wood there, so it could be the top of one. Nothing brilliant though, but ta-da! I'm into a new field, bit of a pond, and I've just got that up. Don't think that's me that's damaged it. I don't even know if it's a coin because that side seems very plain. Wow! Well! Not a coin. Whether I can get hopefully some more information when it's had a bit of a gentle clean. sort of token. Very nice. I was a bit speechless. It wasn't what I was expecting. Shame it's in bad nick. Yeah, it's a nice surprise. Too windy, I know, but I'm going to show you Mr. D's find. Here we go. Ta-da. It's found a lovely hammered 1566. The other side's been rubbed away, so it could be Lizzie. It's a very nice find. Well done. So far, that's what I've unveiled. It could be a big button for all I know. I think it actually might be because it's looking a bit. Oh no! Is it a coin? It's oh, look at that! Can just get him. Let me focus. Can you see? Look at the face on that, the head. Ooh, lovely, lovely, lovely. Let me just get my gloves off and see if I can just get my paper wipe. Absolutely gorgeous. Look at that. Might be a William, I'm not sure. It's a lovely old one anyways. Yay, chuff with that. Right, well we've just had some lunch. Mr. D's over there, trying to protect the camera from the wind if I can. We've got about 3 hours left. That's my first decent find after lunch. And my first musket ball for the day. My first ball for today. Yay! Oh, I hope you can hear me. I've just pulled something out and at the same time gone, oh my god, as I do. Oh, I was just out because I couldn't find it. It was such a loud beep and I was thinking, oh, it's going to be a massive can. And then I popped it out and I went, oh my god, when I saw it. Look at that. Oh, look at that beaut. No, I've not cleaned it. That's exactly how it popped out and dropped on the floor. Let's get out the wind. Let's get out the wind. Oh, my giddy aunts. That's a beaut. Oh, I do love my buckles. I do, I do, I do. Oh, look at that. Oh, made up. I am made up with that. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. Look at the detail. Oh, superb. Excuse me sniffing, but this weather. Oh, I am chuffed to bits with that. Absolutely chuffed to bits. Look at that. Oh, what a corker. What a corker. I mean, top of my head's medieval, Tudor, don't know. That was really helpful, wasn't it? But it's old. And it's gorgeous. Oh my god, look at the size of it. Oh, that's my biggest and my best. My bestest biggest, shall I put it, to date. Fantastic. Yay! I found a coin there. It's a very, very, very pretty silver button. It's a bit of patterning to it. Oh well, never mind. Okay, cheers, thank you.
What a miss that one.
way home. I didn't get a chance to do a end of vid talk out on the field because it was a bit last minute, me trying to get in a few last digs before having to get back on the coach, so I was a bit cutting it short. So I'm doing one now. It's been a long day, we're very, very tired. It's been nice, there's been some nice bits come up. I'm over the moon about my buckle. And that lovely, I've got a lovely William III coin. And I don't know if it's a badge or a token, I'll be posting that on the end of the video, close-ups. Mr. D's got his fabulous silver hammered, that's lovely. Some other bits and bobs. So it's been a good day. So happy hunting to you all if you're getting out, and thank you very much for giving me a watch, much appreciated, and I shall catch you all very soon. Bye for now.
Will you search through the lonely earth for me? Climb through the briar and bramble. I'll be your treasure. I felt the touch of the kings and the breath of the wind. I knew the call of all the songbirds. They sang all the wrong words. I'm waiting for you. I'm waiting for you. Will you swim through the briny sea for me? Crawl along the ocean's floor. I'll be your treasure. I'm with the ghosts of the men who can never sing again. There's a place, follow me, where a love lost at sea is waiting for you, is waiting for you. Will you search through the lonely earth for me? Climb through the briar and bramble. I'll be your treasure. I felt the touch of the kings and the breath of the wind. I knew the call of all the songbirds. They sang all the wrong words. I'm waiting for you. I'm waiting